Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to convert documents to JPEG images. This is the simplest and most widely accessible method for transforming any document, whether it is a text file or a presentation, into a versatile image format. Many people find this incredibly useful for sharing content quickly on social media, or when an image is specifically required instead of a document file. Let's dive right into the easy steps to achieve this conversion effectively. The very first step involves opening your document to the page you intend to convert and then taking a precise screenshot. On a Windows computer, the built-in snipping tool is incredibly helpful. Simply search for it or use the Windows key, Shift, and S combination to select your desired area. Mac users can achieve this by pressing Command, Shift, and the number 4, which turns your cursor into a crosshair. This allows you to meticulously capture the exact boundaries of your document page. Once you have captured your screenshot, it will typically appear as a notification or open directly in an editing window. Immediately save this image, making sure to select JPEG as the file type for broad compatibility. Next, open the saved image in your computer's default photo editor, which is usually pre-installed. Here, you can easily crop out any extraneous desktop elements or surrounding areas, ensuring only your document content remains. This simple refinement creates a clean, professional-looking image. Now, let's ensure your new JPEG document looks excellent. Most screenshot tools capture images at a resolution of about 72 dots per inch or higher, which is generally sufficient for clear viewing on screens. If you need a very high resolution, ensure your document is fully zoomed in before taking the screenshot. For sharing online, keeping the file size under 5 megabytes is ideal, balancing quality with fast loading times. Always double-check the text clarity before finalizing your image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.